What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a map like this. It's a city map with custom routes and attractions that you can explore and share. For example, if you are an Airbnb owner and would like to share with your guests, for example, all using AI on Canva, very fast and simple. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to Canva, find the design to the size that you need, okay? My recommendation is this proportion right here. Let me show you. This is a nice size. After, go to the left sidebar of menus and click on apps. Into the search field, we're gonna type AI map, just like this. Here is the first result, AI map generator. Click on it. Then you have to choose. You have to type the city, for example, New York. Then you need to change the steps on the map. For example, Times Square, Grand Central Terminal, Brooklyn Bridge. After, start and stop. Okay, so start step, so Times Square, and the end step can be on Dumbo, just like this. Okay, start step, it's on Times Square, and the last step is on Dumbo. Okay, and you can pass by other parts of the city, just like this. Okay, for example, in my case, they start, it's Times Square, then we move to Soho, Central Park, and Dumbo. And here is the results I got. You can set most pass stops, okay, for example, Central Park, Soho, and the map style can be minimal, bold, illustrated, or a night map, up to you. Okay, this one that I choose, it's the minimal map. I can create one map per day. Okay, I have 1 credit to create things for free, and you can change the proportion of the map. Okay, for example, an A4 map, just like this. And then click on generate map, and you're gonna be able to see a result almost like this one right here. Okay, and that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that I have any question. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.